There are 12 months in a year, in a year, in a year. There are 12 months in a year, and this is how you say them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. How are you? Are you okay? It's your teacher Annunciata. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Days of the months. Now we have learned that how many months do you have in a year? We have 12 months in a year. But now, how many days are in each month? How many days are in each month? Now, can you do your hand like this? Like mine? Then, are you seeing? Did I include the thumb finger? No, I'm only using the 4 fingers. So let's go. So when you count any number that we go up, it will be a 1. Any number that goes up, it must have a 1. So when you start up here, I'll say January. So months of the year, they always have 30 or 31 days, apart from only 1 month. That is the shortest month of the year, and that is February. So when you look at this month of the year, each month of the year has number of days in it. Each month of the year has number of days in it. And we are saying any month of the year that we will go up the finger. A finger represents 1. So we are saying it will be that month of the year must have a 1. So we are saying January. So if I say January up here, how many days are in January? 31. Very good. It means January has 31 days. So we are going up there again, January, then I come down. When I come down, that month, it means that month of the year has 30 days. So we are saying, but now when we talk about February is a very different month of the year. It is extraordinary, very different. Why? It never reaches 30 days. So it will always go 28 or 29 days. Okay, I'll explain to you why 28 or 29. Meanwhile, let's continue. So we have said January, it is 31. We go February, 28 or 29. So when you go back up, how many days are in March? There are 31 days in March. Then after that, we go down. April, we have said month of the year have either 30 or 31, apart from only February. So anytime you go down is 30 days. That is a 0. It doesn't have a 1 at the end. Then we go April, up. May, meaning May has how many days? May is up, so it has 31 days. Then June goes down. So how many days are in June? There are 30 days in June. Then after that, we go July. How many days? We are up here. July, how many days? July goes for 31 days. Then we are July up here. After that, what do? We skip. From July, we go back to where we started from. And where did we started? We started at the second finger, which is up. So it also means August has 31 days. Then September, meaning September has 30 days. Then October up here means 31 days. November goes down. How many days? 30 days. And December goes up, meaning 31 days. So let us count all of us together. We start here January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again we go January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we have learned that each month of the year has a different number of days depending on the month. January has 31 days. February, 28 or 29 days. The years that we are talking about, a full year. So when you let us calculate and find out, a full year has how many days? If January has 31, let's use 28 for February. We see this is 9 and this is 5. Then we go 31. This one, 0, you carry 1, becomes a 9. Then it goes to 30. This is 9, 10, 11, 12. Then it goes to 31. It is 1, 5, 1. Then it goes to 30, where it gives you 1, 8, 1. Then it goes to 31, where it gives you 2, 1, 2. Again 31, it gives you 3, 4, 2. Then it goes to 30, where it gives you 3, 7, 2. Then 31, it goes to 3, 0, 4. Then to 30, it gives you 4, 3, 3. Then to 31, it gives you 6, 3. So how many days do we have in a year? We have, a year has how many days? A year has 365 days in a year. That is the normal year. But now when the year now goes to, in a way that it is a leap year, you add now plus 29. You don't add here 28, it becomes a 29. And that is why you say a year can have 366 or 365 days. Why? It depends with the year. Does that month of the February have 28 days? If it has 28 days, it will be 365. But if it has 29 days, it means it has 366 days. So for us to say we have covered a year, how many days will you have covered? How many days will you have covered? We will have covered 365 or 366 days depending on the year. So what if someone asks you, which month of the year has 30 days? Which month of the year has 30 days? Let's see. All the months of the year that have 30 days are labeled in green. For example, April, June, September, November. Which month of the year have 31 days? Which month of the year have 31 days? We have all the months of the year that have 31 days are labeled in red. So we are saying we have January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. And now orange is a different one. February is a different month of the year. That is why it has an orange color, 28 or 29 days. So right now we are flying into which month? We have entered December. Next, we will be flying back to January. And then we go February. Then we go March. Like that until again we go back to December. So the year rotates like that. The number of days never changes. The only month that will change is February. And it also depends with the year. If the year has 28 or 29 days, it will always change the number of days in a year. So we are saying there are how many? How many months of the year have 31 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many months of the year have 30 days? 1, 2, 3, 4. And which one is the shortest month of the year? The shortest month of the year is February. The month, we get the difference between the month with the shortest name and the shortest month of the year. When you talk about the shortest month of the year is the number of days are less. When you talk about the shortest name, it's the number of letters in the name are less. So don't confuse that with the month. The month May has only the short name. But the shortest month of the year is February, which has 28 or 29 days. So if someone asks you, which month of the year has 28 or 29 days? Yes, Johnny? February. Very good. Which months of the year have 31 days? You will list them: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Which month of the year have 30 days? You will also name them. We have April, June, September, and November. And that is how we learn the months of the year. So we have learned the number of days in the month of the year, and you have said, if you want to know the number of days in the month of the year, just do your fingers like this and say, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And you have said anytime you go up, it is a 31. Anytime it goes down is a 30 days. Any question up to there? Any problem? It was nice having you around, and I want to wish you all the best.